We have a Cecilware fryer here, and if you look at this side, it's running. Nice flame running through the exchanger. How these are set up, they've got a pilot tube with a thermal pile, which generates the voltage to run the valve and stuff. In order to actually light the pilot on these, you turn this to the pilot section, push it in. That'll allow gas to flow up to here, and then you can light it. You have to hold that in until it generates enough power to hold the valve open. Now, this was actually lit earlier, but they were saying it wasn't bringing it on. Once you would adjust the temperature up to 350, it would not actually bring on the burner. So that tells me that this is bad. Now, when I tried to cycle it on earlier, the pilot went out and it will not relight, so I'm pretty confident that it's this part, so we're gonna go ahead and change that out. Now, I would normally disconnect these wires back where they're connected on the back of the control, but to remove this, I have to pull the whole assembly out of here, so I don't really want to do that. So I'm actually gonna just connect the new one to these wires here. There's just a nut on the back of here. Spin that out. You can slide the old generator out of there just like that. Here's our new one. Alright, with that installed, now it actually stays lit. Turn that to on. Sweet. Good to go.